Hello and welcome to another update video on Bonk. We are here on the larger time frame. It's not useful or practical at the moment to try to focus on the smaller time frames. Let's see if the market can settle down, relax a little bit, calm down, not relax, but calm down a little bit. And it's important now, obviously, that we get a break above a technical level to get an understanding that, or if this correction is actually complete. I'm talking about the correction which potentially completed here. Yesterday, obviously, we talked about a potential low before in March, April, but the market definitely broke below it, has since recovered and recovered pretty much over 200% since yesterday's low. Now, again, on some exchanges, that correction is less strong than on others. Here, for example, on the Coinbase chart, it's way less. Yeah, it's crazy. Kraken, it's just like, what can you say? It doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense. The problem is, guys, I'm using here the main chart from Tradingview, because the other guys here, the other exchanges, they just don't have the entire history, right? It's not useful to use it, it's not useful to use the other ones. So we continue to focus here on the main crypto chart from TradingView. But yeah, please note that obviously it's a bit speculative because we have different levels on different exchanges. So that is difficult and the challenge at the moment in the current market conditions. Now, it's a bit like the Wild West. Crypto still is, okay, a lot has happened with regards to regulations and so on. But obviously, it's still, all the exchanges have their own order books and so on. Now, which level now needs to be broken in order to tell us that the risk for further downside reduces? In my opinion, and I'm going to take a look at the daily chart here, in my opinion, it should be where the volume candle started, like the strong sell-off. So that was pretty much here, well, yesterday. We might even say that swing high here from Monday the 6th, but really on a smaller time frame, it would be this swing high at 20433. But they're very close together anyway. So this would be the first level I'd love to see broken. For now, the market has recovered most of the crash. If I draw some standard Fibonacci retracements, then you can see that we are below standard resistance. So we have not broken above resistance. The market has basically retraced all the, not all the decline, but most of it, and reached nearly the 78.6 retracement at 15696. So what do we need now? Ideally, in any pullback now, a higher low, and then a break above these green lines, one of them at 20433, and the other one at 22524. On the smaller time frame, I added just a standard set of Fibonacci levels, but how useful is it? I don't know. It's because we don't have clear microstructures yet, and as you've seen on various exchanges, there are different lows, okay? So I'm not sure how relevant this Fib zone is. It might not even be tested between 5488 and 9286. I would rather focus on these previous swing highs I mentioned. They are really important. So that's the update on Bonk. I hope you enjoyed the update. Hope it added some value. If you want to learn more about Elliott Wave and check out additional updates, then feel free to follow us as well. On X, you can find additional charts here, news, updates. The link is in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.